everyone, I'm Santasha, I'm your VP Education.
I'm Lee, I'm your VP Activities.
I'm Caitlin, I'm your VP Media.
And I'm Lily, your VP Welfare, and we're your elected officers.
The We Heart You Award runs all year round and is one of UCLan Students' Union's student-led teaching awards.
So, these awards are for students to nominate their school presidents, staff or course reps for moments of excellence.
This could be an inspiring lecture,
His dedication, appreciation does not go unnoticed.
or a member of support staff who's worked behind the scenes to help you with your studies.
A course rep or school president who has worked hard to represent your views and make your courses better.
The We Heart You Award is really special because students get to recognise those that have made their time at university better. Winners such as
Kerry Clark from the School of Nursing for always making time to give words of encouragement to her students and for being supportive and a lovely lecturer.
For Sharon Harrison from the Livesey Cafe, for her kind and nurturing nature, always making students feel confident even before those tricky 9 a.m s.
This year, we've awarded 3 school presidents with We Heart Yous. Nick Gaskell in the School of Engineering was awarded for being a friendly and approachable person in the School of Engineering and because students knew that they could count on him to make their voices heard.
Steph Lomas from the Lancashire Law School for her kind and caring nature, always going above and beyond to listen to her students and bringing welcome changes to UCLan.
and Steph Hickson from Nursing for working tirelessly to improve the student experience of student nurses on their placements.
David Panazzi from the School of Physical Sciences and Computing for his work in creating more opportunities for students and supporting them in strengthening their employability. And massive congratulations to all of this year's winners and a big thank you to all the students who nominated.
Member for the We Heart You Award, go to
UCLansu.co.uk/We Heart You.